Hey everyone, I hope you all are good. So, today we are going to start a new concept computer ethics and crimes. कंप्यूटर एथिक्स क्या होता है उसके क्राइम एंड सिक्योरिटी के बारे में आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे. सो यू ऑल नो कंप्यूटर आर यूज नाउ अ डेज इन ऑलमोस्ट ऑल ऑफ walk of life. This age is called the age of computer. Now we are going to start an introduction of the topic computer ethics. Ethics is a set of moral principle. Ethics, you must be aware of certain ethics related to the use of computers. Ethics are belief and rules. These rules state what is right and what is wrong. Ethics is important in our day to day life also. A major sense of ethics is something a person develops over a period of time. Due to these reasons, parents, teachers, and elders are supported to exercise some authority over their children. Children are not expected to know how to make some decision for them, but children are tend to make mistakes. There are children who commit crimes. There are Julian court of law that are not the same as other criminal codes. As you people are not capable of criminals or unethical intention like an adult, such children are punished according to the ruling of these courts. Same ethic when the some children are punished according to the ruling of these courts, ethical sense in the young people is considered a serious matter. It comes under the subject of moral development. Moral development means good behavior is that which pleases or helps other and is also approved by society. Behavior is generally judged by the intention of a person. The advancement of technology makes it possible for unethical and criminal activity to be carried out in a sophisticated way. Children should thus be aware of moral and ethical issues and must develop a good sense and social responsibility. There are always people who are violating the rules of society for money or sometimes just for fun. The problem of computer ethics are also more or less same as in case of other general ethical problems. So now what is ethics? Ethics include integrity, moral, principle, honesty, rights, fairness, responsibility, conscience, choice, honor, value. So now we are talking about the topic challenging issues: computer crime, computer security, software theft, property rights, hacking, creation of viruses, computer unreliability, software variety, data storage, invasions of piracy, social implication of AI, workplace computerization. So, some common issues of computer ethics: intellectual property rights such as copyright. Copyright, you must have seen this symbol C enclosed within a circle on different items, books, magazines, and even web pages. The C enclosed within a circle symbol is used widely. The symbol generally comes before a statement, all rights reserved. Do you know why this statement and symbols are used? This symbol shows that the material and information are copyrighted and are the sole property of the owner. It is unlawful and unethical to use them without the permission of the owner. Suppose such properties were legally reproduced and freely given away. The writers, publishers will not be benefited in terms of money and other advantages, and hence will be less motivated for continuing the hard work to develop and such materials. So in order to keep exploring, thinking and inventing by creating people, their work must be protected by law. And now we are going about copyright on internet. What work made available on the public on the internet Are they all at all protected by copyright? Yes. For work made available on a communication network such as the internet, the copyright protect original authorship. For this reason, some material are copyrighted by law, but some material, such as the material on a website, is easily available. The owner cannot check and control copying or downloading of such information. It is the duty of the user to be honest and not to be use the material illegally. The least you can do while using this information is to acknowledge the author. This is called referencing. Using references show maturity, and you can't avoid copying or using information from the internet and they copyrighted, but the right way to use it is to acknowledge the source sincerely. So next is netiquette. Netiquette are various risks related to using the internet. It is about proper way is which to use a network and to determine whether information is reliable or authentic. Ideology or netics. Real people exist behind the people. Protect your privacy. No spam today, tomorrow, ever. Help making network better. Preventing measures. Encourage tomorrow's professionals to behave in more ethical manner for the IT industry and pirate software often does not have very key element. It does not have any warranty protected or upgrade options. Next is software piracy. Piracy is the part of the illegal reproduction and distribution of software application. Pirated software is very dangerous trend. It hurts everyone from developer to seller and software users. Software piracy has a significant impact on the economy. It leads to job losses and revenue losses to the software companies. You must avoid using piracy software. Do you know that our professions of software that has been legally copied is also piracy? The different form of other software are given ahead like end user piracy, internet piracy, pre installed software piracy, and counterfeiting piracy, and online actual piracy, quality viruses. So, these are the some type of piracy. And second is file piracy. Any computer document produced either by an individual in his private home or his office should remain private. None should open any document unless authorized by the individual who created the file himself. And all software are licensed. When someone copies software without the appropriate license for each copy, it is called end user piracy. And it includes both copying and distribution of the software. And next topic is hacking. Uh, Unauthorized hacking is a gaining access of computer item. Hacking, as in the case of other system and field, there are also crimes related to computers. Computer crimes result from the deliberate tampering with data and information. A hacker is a person who break into a computer system to get illegal access to the information stored there. A hacker may not cause any harm to the system or organization, but hacking is still illegal and ethical. And also, a cracker is a person who break into a computer system just like a hacker with the intention to steal password, files, or programs for unauthorized use. They may sell the information to some other people for money. Crackers are causes financial damage to an organization. No? And viruses programmers are like crackers who breach computer system in order to steal information or cause harm to computer system. They program dangerous virus to get access to system. The people who are associated with computer crimes are often called hacker, crackers, and viruses programmers, breachers, information warrior, etc. Whatever name they may have, they are all people who volunteered computer security. They practice unlawful and illegal activity related to the computer system. And now we are talking about worms and computer viruses. So, in the last, computer viruses, creation of worms and computer viruses is morally bad when it is intended for malicious purpose like to steal information or destroying the data. And the part of the computer viruses, however it could be used like a vaccine poison to kill another poison, to cure or prevent a potentially destructive system for wreaking havoc in the network. So next is pelagianism. Parallelism is copying someone else's work or then passing it off as one's own. It is morally bad because it is an act of stealing. Copying programs written by other programmers and claiming it as your own could be act of plagiarism. It involves lying, cheating, theft, dishonesty, etc. In the last, computer security include procedures and techniques which are designed to protect a computer from accidental and accidental or intentional theft, unauthorized access or manipulation. It is both an individual or an organization concern. Computer security is often viewed as a disaster for the user because it can cause seriously damage to both the individual user and the organization. Such damage may include loss of revenue, valuable data loss, productivity loss, and many more, which may even lead to uh, back, backup recovery. Computer security can be broadly divided into following categories: hardware, software, network, natural disasters, so on. So, computer security control are established and manipulated to reduce security breaches. So these are the point. I hope you like this video. So